Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be doing a quick unboxing video for you guys, basically showing you guys a few stuff I got from China recently. So I haven't really done an unboxing video in a very long time because I haven't really ordered stuff for personal use, and I just feel like it's crazy unboxing the same thing over and over again. The majority of the things I order are stuff for my business, so I ordered a few personal stuff and I decided to show you guys what I ordered. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's head right into it. So the first box I have here is this box, and this is a shoe I got. So I used to go to the gym, but I stopped, and I ordered these shoes when I used to go to the gym, but I didn't know I was going to stop. I had to stop and just do my workouts at home, because the gym I used to go to don't have a treadmill, and I have to jog under the sun every morning, and that was really telling on my skin. So I just had to stop, and I didn't want to look for another gym, because I wanted a place that's close to my house, so that kind of motivates me to go every time. I'm just going to show you guys the shoes. So this is what it looks like. These shoes, they were quite affordable. I can't remember the exact figure because it's been 3 months since I ordered them, but I know they were affordable. I don't think they were up to 30 RMB. They should be around 20 something RMB, and it's so cute. So I don't know if I would I don't know what to do with this, because I don't wear this kind of shoes. I only got them for a particular reason, and I don't go to the gym anymore, so I don't know, maybe I would sell them. Well, I'm not sure yet. I'll just think of what to do with them, and that's it. So I also ordered another shoe. I ordered 3 shoes actually, because I wanted to have different shoes for different days. Unfortunately, I stopped going to the gym. So this is the second one I ordered. This is what it looks like. And this is the last one I ordered. Yeah, so I ordered signage for my business. So this is O, this is S, and this is B. Yeah, SOB, which is actually my initials for my brand, Apparel OB people. So yeah, that's what I have here. I don't know if I placed this correctly, but I hope I actually placed them correctly. So yeah, this is it. Next up, I ordered phone pouch. So I actually ordered 5, but I'm currently using 1. I'm currently using 2 for my phones currently. So I ordered this one, and then I ordered this one for someone. This one, for some weird reason, I'm starting to like pink color, and it's just crazy. I also ordered white and brown, but I'm currently using them, so that's why they are not here. I ordered hairbands. So I'm just going to open one so you see what it looks like for my hair. Oh. So this is what this looks like. I don't know if I'm placing this correctly, but I hope you get the memo. Okay, I ordered yellow, light brown, and dark brown, and this color. There's this gown I ordered one time. I ordered it in beige color, and when it arrived, I totally loved the quality of the gown, and it's so affordable. I got one for 26 RMB, and when I received the gown and I love the quality, I had to go back to order it in every color it was available in. So I ordered it in green, in sky blue, and in white, and I also ordered it in black, but I already wore the black one. The quality of this gown is something else. It's something you can wear for everyday use, and you can also wear it out I don't even know, it's just really amazing. So I actually got it. So it's very free. If you style it properly, you can wear it anywhere, and you can also basically use it for your everyday use. And the fabric is so strong. Sewing is so neat. Everything about the dress is so lovely. That's why I had to go back and get it. So next up, I ordered some 90s. I ordered about 3 pieces of this in what color is this? I think this is silver, and then this is white, and this is rose gold. I actually wanted the biggest size they have, but I already tried this on, and top was giving biggest size, but the shorts was not giving biggest size. So I literally ordered for extra large, because I wanted it to be very free. And tell me why your extra large is sticking to my thighs. Make it make sense, please. So I'm going to fit this on so you guys see what it looks like. Okay, so this is a rose gold color. The top is perfect, but you can see what the short looks like, and it's so tight. I like my trousers to be very free around this area. I don't think the issue is with the brand. I think I'm the fat one, so that's why I'm working so hard to shed some weight. I just remembered I still have some stuff I didn't show you guys because they all came in different batches. So I also got this screen mirroring device. It's supposed to help you see what you're doing when you're filming with your back camera. I've actually been using it, so I still have 2 more because the supplier said I can't order just one. So if you're interested, do let me know so you can get one of them. I have plans to get a camera, but I don't have the budget for the particular one I want to get right now. And the thing with me and making plans for something that I have an alternative for is that along the line I just find a way to find reasons why I don't need that thing, so I don't have to spend money buying it. So because I feel like my phone can also do what the camera can do for me, I'd rather just continue filming with my phone instead of getting the camera. But I really want to have the camera, so because I knew I wasn't ready to buy it now and there's a possibility of me changing my mind in the future, I had to get the accessories. So it reminds me that I need to get the camera so I can start using the accessories. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys all the accessories I got. So first I got this SD card for filming. So I got the 128 gigabytes and I also got the 64 gigabytes, and yeah, that's it. So next up I also got this stuff for converting my files from my SD card to my computer when editing. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. So you just basically plug this part to your computer. So it has this USB ports and also the Type-C ports. So you slot in your memory card here and then you plug this part to your computer. So for some weird reason I got 2. I don't know why. Probably I wanted a backup one. It was quite affordable, so why not. Next up I got protective glasses for the camera screen, and I got 4 because they were super affordable. I got this converter as well. So these are actually the same thing in a way, but this one has some other slots here that I don't even know what they are used for, but maybe I'll figure that out later. It's just for only the SD card to your computer or to your phone. So this one is the one for the phone and this is the one for the computer. So yeah, I got both of them for times where I would just want to use my phone to edit, or I would want to use my laptop to edit. Okay, but I doubt I would want to use my phone to edit when filming with my camera, because even when I film with my phone in 4K, it's so hard editing with my phone and also retaining the quality. So I guess this would be kind of useless, but let's just see. I might have a need for it in future. That's all for today's video. Do subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching and bye.